Deep within the rainforests of Southeast Asia lives a creature of remarkable intelligence and grace, the orangutan. These great apes, with their long, flowing red hair, are a sight to behold. Their name, derived from the Malay words orang, person, and hutan, forest, translates to person of the forest. Indeed, orangutans share a surprising amount of DNA with humans, making them our close relatives. Each species faces unique challenges, but all are united by their dependence on the rainforest and the threats posed by human activity. Understanding their unique biology and behavior is essential for ensuring their survival for generations to come. Orangutans are instantly recognizable by their distinctive reddish-brown fur. This vibrant coat provides camouflage in their rainforest home. Beneath the fur lies a layer of fat, crucial for insulation and energy reserves. Males and females exhibit significant size differences, known as sexual dimorphism. Adult males weigh up to 200 pounds, almost double the size of females. Dominant males have prominent cheek pads called flanges to amplify their calls. Their long arms, up to 7 feet in span, are suited for swinging through trees. Orangutans are the largest arboreal mammals on Earth, spending almost their entire lives high in the rainforest canopy. They are skilled climbers and swingers, rarely descending to the forest floor. The trees provide them with everything they need: food, shelter, and a safe haven from predators. Their diet consists mainly of fruit, supplemented by leaves, bark, insects, and the occasional bird egg. Fig trees are a particular favorite, providing a rich source of energy. Orangutans play a vital role in seed dispersal, consuming fruit and then depositing the seeds far from the parent tree, aiding in forest regeneration. Their days are spent foraging for food, resting, and traveling through the canopy. They construct elaborate nests each night, weaving together branches and leaves to create comfortable platforms for sleep. These nests provide protection from the elements and predators, ensuring a good night's rest after a day of foraging. Moving through the dense rainforest canopy presents a unique set of challenges, but orangutans have evolved to become masters of arboreal locomotion. Their long arms and flexible joints allow them to swing gracefully from branch to branch, a method of movement known as brachiation. Their prehensile hands and feet act like grappling hooks, providing a secure grip on branches. They are surprisingly strong, able to support their weight effortlessly even when hanging upside down. Their slow, deliberate movements belie their strength and agility. When not swinging, orangutans will walk quadrupedally along branches, using their long arms to maintain balance. They can also bridge gaps between trees by carefully bending branches towards them, or by using their weight to pull trees closer together, creating temporary walkways. Their movements through the canopy are a testament to their adaptation to an arboreal lifestyle. Section 5. The call of the wild males, maturity and mating. Male orangutans undergo a fascinating two-phase maturation process. Adolescent males resemble females in size and appearance, lacking the prominent cheek flanges and throat sacs of fully developed males. This unflanged phase can last for several years. Upon reaching full maturity, males develop their distinctive flanges, which serve as visual and acoustic signals. They also develop large throat sacs, enabling them to produce deep, resonating calls that can travel for miles through the forest. These long calls serve various purposes, including attracting mates, advertising their presence to rivals, and defending their territory. These calls play a crucial role in the mating system of orangutans. Females, upon reaching sexual maturity, will often choose to mate with a dominant flanged male. However, unflanged males may also father offspring through opportunistic matings. The long calls of the flanged males serve to advertise their availability and ward off potential rivals. Solitary lives, social structure and interaction. Unlike their highly social African cousins, gorillas and chimpanzees, orangutans are primarily solitary creatures. Adult females live with their dependent offspring, while males lead largely solitary lives, their ranges overlapping with those of several females. Despite their solitary nature, orangutans do engage in social interactions. Mothers maintain strong bonds with their offspring, providing care and guidance for several years. Adolescent orangutans may socialize with their peers, playing and practicing their arboreal skills together. Adult males, while often solitary, will interact with each other, albeit often aggressively. Encounters between rival males can be fierce, involving displays of strength, vocalizations, and sometimes physical combat. These interactions establish dominance hierarchies and determine access to mates and resources. A mother's love, reproduction, and raising young. Female orangutans have one of the slowest reproductive rates of all mammals. They reach sexual maturity around 10 years of age, but typically don't give birth to their first offspring until several years later. The gestation period lasts around 9 months, similar to humans. Once born, orangutan infants are completely dependent on their mothers for survival. Mothers carry their infants everywhere, nursing them for up to 3 years and providing them with food, warmth, and protection from predators. This extended period of maternal care is crucial for the development and survival of young orangutans. Young orangutans learn essential life skills from their mothers, including foraging techniques, nest building, and social interactions. They remain with their mothers for up to 8 years, gradually becoming more independent as they mature. This long period of learning and development is essential for their survival in the challenging rainforest environment. 8. Intelligence in the trees, cognitive abilities, and tool use. Orangutans possess remarkable intelligence and problem-solving abilities. Studies have shown that they are capable of complex cognitive tasks, including tool use, problem-solving, and even some forms of communication. Their intelligence is thought to be linked to their long lifespan, complex social structures, and the challenges of living in a constantly changing rainforest environment. Wild orangutans have been observed using tools in a variety of contexts. They use sticks to extract insects from tree holes, leaves as sponges to collect water, and branches to swat at stinging insects. This ability to use tools in innovative ways highlights their intelligence and adaptability. Furthermore, orangutans have demonstrated impressive spatial memory, remembering the locations of fruiting trees over vast distances. They also exhibit a degree of cultural transmission, with mothers passing down knowledge and skills to their offspring. These cognitive abilities are a testament to the intelligence of these incredible apes. A precarious future conservation status and threats. Sadly, all 3 species of orangutan are classified as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Their populations have plummeted in recent decades due to a combination of habitat loss, poaching, and the illegal pet trade. Deforestation, driven by palm oil plantations, logging, and mining, is the biggest threat to orangutans. As their rainforest homes are destroyed, orangutans lose their food sources, shelter, and the ability to disperse seeds, further impacting the health of the forest. Poaching for bushmeat and the illegal pet trade also take a toll on orangutan populations. Infants are particularly vulnerable, often captured after their mothers have been killed. These activities are not only cruel, but also unsustainable, pushing these already endangered creatures closer to extinction. Call to action, protecting the gentle giants. The future of orangutans hangs in the balance, but there is still hope. By raising awareness about their plight, supporting conservation organizations, and making responsible consumer choices, we can all play a role in protecting these magnificent creatures. Supporting sustainable palm oil production is crucial. Look for products certified by the Round Table on Sustainable Palm Oil, which promotes environmentally and socially responsible palm oil production. Educate yourself about the products you buy and choose those that don't contribute to deforestation. Support organizations working to protect orangutans and their habitat. These organizations are actively involved in habitat restoration, anti-poaching patrols, and rescue and rehabilitation efforts. Your donations can make a real difference in the fight to save these incredible apes. The time to act is now. Let us all do our part to ensure that these gentle giants of the rainforest continue to thrive for generations to come. Their survival is intertwined with the health of our planet, and their loss would be a tragedy for all.